Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Have you ever wished you could have a high-end coffee shop right on your kitchen counter without dealing with the mess and the complicated learning curve of a traditional manual espresso machine? Today we are taking a deep dive into the Delonghi Rivelia automatic espresso machine in white, a machine that promises to completely change how you think about morning coffee routines. Delonghi is a massive name in the coffee world, holding the top spot as the #1 worldwide espresso machine maker according to independent research for full-year sales. The Rivelia model arrives with a sleek, modern, minimalist design that looks more like high-end kitchen decor than a bulky appliance. Let us break down everything this machine has to offer, starting with the headline feature that sets it apart from almost everything else on the market. The most innovative feature of the Rivelia is the bean switch system. Most super automatic espresso machines force you to commit to one bag of beans at a time, and emptying out the hopper is usually a messy, annoying chore. Delonghi solved this by including two removable 8.8-ounce interchangeable bean hoppers. This means you can easily rotate different flavors into your coffee routine. You can pop in a robust dark roast for your morning wake-up call, and then effortlessly lift it out and replace it with a delicate decaf or a flavored bean for your afternoon treat, all before they are freshly ground for your cup by the integrated 13-setting burr grinder. Once your beans are loaded, the machine eliminates all the usual guesswork using Bean Adapt technology. This system guides you through a simple visual walkthrough on a gorgeous 3.5-inch color touch display to expertly set and automatically save the ideal grind, dose level, and temperature for your specific bean type. You no longer have to waste shots trying to dial in a new bag of coffee. The machine does the heavy lifting for you and remembers the settings so you get a perfect extraction every single time. When it is time to brew, the Rivelia gives you craft coffee shop favorites with just one touch. You can switch between a massive range of 18 preset recipes. Whether you want a latte, a cappuccino, a cortado, a standard coffee, a flat white, an iced coffee, a classic espresso, or an espresso over ice, it is all right there on the screen. Furthermore, you can personalize your drinks to match your exact taste preferences. You can adjust the intensity and the quantity, and even use the extra shot function to amp up your cup when you need an extra boost of caffeine. For milk lovers, the automatic LatteCrema Hot System takes all the fuss out of frothing. There is no messy steam wand to clean and no complicated manual control to master. With the touch of a button, it instantly froths dairy milk or plant-based alternatives into velvety smooth hot foam directly into your cup. It even features a convenient auto-clean function so maintenance does not become a chore. On top of all this, the machine supports up to 4 distinct user profiles and features smart menus that actually update throughout the day based on your personal coffee routine. Now, let us talk about the pros and the benefits of living with this machine. The primary pro is the incredible versatility offered by the dual bean hoppers and the 18 preset recipes. It truly caters to multi-coffee drinker households where one person loves dark roast and another prefers decaf or light roast. Another major pro is the user interface. The 3.5-inch color display is bright, responsive, and makes navigating complex drink customization surprisingly easy. The LatteCrema system is a massive win for convenience, producing cafe-quality microfoam effortlessly. The design is also a huge plus, as the compact, stylish white chassis saves valuable counter space while elevating the aesthetic of your kitchen. Of course, no tech product is without its drawbacks. Let us cover the cons. First, super automatic espresso machines of this caliber represent a significant financial investment, so you will need to be ready for the higher price tag. Second, while the bean switch system is brilliant, having extra hoppers sitting around your kitchen cabinets requires a little bit of storage space. Finally, while the machine handles most of the cleaning automatically, keeping up with the internal maintenance, water filtering, and milk carafe rinsing is still a routine you must stick to in order to keep the machine running at its absolute best. In conclusion, the Delonghi Rivelia automatic espresso machine is a phenomenal piece of engineering for anyone who takes their home coffee seriously but values convenience and speed. By solving the single bean hopper limitation and pairing it with intelligent bean adaptation and a stunning color display, Delonghi has created a truly user-friendly powerhouse. If you are tired of mediocre coffee and want barista-quality drinks tailored to your exact mood and bean choice with zero guesswork, this machine deserves a spot on your kitchen counter. Link in the description.